Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Ready to capture your world like never before? Introducing the HoverAir X1 Pro and Pro Max, the world's first 8K flying action cameras that give you a bird's eye view of your adventures without tying up your hands or limiting your perspective. Imagine launching a drone from your pocket, unfolding it, and watching it soar into the sky with just the press of a button. No controllers, no phones, just pure unbridled action captured from above. The X1 Pro Max isn't just any camera, it's a powerhouse with a CMOS sensor that captures your most epic moments in stunning 8K resolution, giving you 4 times more detail than 4K. And for those high-speed action shots, revel in crisp, smooth slow motion with 4K at 120 frames per second. Not to be outdone, the X1 PRO offers impressive 4K at 60 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, ensuring every detail is captured with clarity no matter how fast the action. Both models feature a robust 2-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization and horizon leveling, guaranteeing that your footage remains stable no matter how wild the ride gets. Adventure knows no bounds with HoverAir. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a professional athlete, these drones keep up with top speeds of 26 miles per hour and burst tracking up to 37 miles per hour, ensuring they never miss a moment. Switch between multiple automated flight modes with just a button. Choose from hover, zoom out, bird's eye, orbit for cinematic captures, or follow, side follow, and dolly track for dynamic action shots. And with more updates on the way, the possibilities are endless. The HoverAir X1 Pro and Pro Max are more than just drones. They're your partners in adventure, ready to capture every exhilarating moment from the skies. Get ready to experience virtual reality like never before with the groundbreaking Roto VR chair. Revolutionize how you explore and interact with VR worlds, all from the comfort of a motorized chair that responds to your every move. Imagine turning effortlessly to wherever you look, with no need for clunky controls or dizzying snap turns. The Roto VR chair does just that, syncing seamlessly with your head movements for a smooth 360 degrees adventure. Just clip the Roto head tracker to your Quest headset and let the magic begin. As you turn your head, the chair rotates with you, immersing you deeper into your virtual journey without the risk of motion sickness. But that's not all. Feel the action with powerful haptic feedback that reverberates through your entire body. Every explosion, rumble, and beat of the game audio is felt, enhancing the intensity of your VR experience. With Roto's enhanced haptics, sound isn't just heard, it's felt. This chair doesn't just move, it brings every scene to life with visceral sensations that must be felt to be believed. Roto's head tracker technology eliminates the need for artificial VR movement like teleportation, offering natural locomotion that keeps you grounded and nausea-free. And for the creators out there, Roto comes with a free SDK that aligns the virtual seat with your actual seat, opening up endless possibilities for developers, filmmakers, and educators to craft 360 degrees narratives and experiences. Whether you're dodging asteroids, exploring historical sites, or simply kicking back in a virtual cinema, the Roto VR chair is your ticket to breathtakingly immersive adventures. So why just play a game when you can live it? Step into the future of virtual reality with the Roto VR chair, where every turn is a new discovery and every sensation is intensified. Ready, set, explore. Welcome to the next level of smartphone accessories. Meet the Sound Pop Holder, a groundbreaking device that combines a Bluetooth speaker, a grip holder, and a phone stand, all in one ultra-portable design. Imagine never having to choose between portability and functionality. The Sound Pop Holder makes it possible. With its powerful magnet and innovative grip design, this device attaches securely to your phone, providing a grip that won't slip. It's not just about holding your phone. The specially coated magnet ensures your Sound Pop Holder stays connected to your device, ready to go wherever you do without losing connection, managing it all with just one hand. Weighing in at just 95 grams, the Sound Pop Holder is designed to be your go-anywhere companion. Easily slip it into a jacket pocket or bag and bring your superior sound experience along for any journey. But that's not all. Experience versatility with its dual stand modes. Whether you're catching up on videos or conducting a video call, adjust your view either horizontally or vertically for the perfect angle. Work or play, the Sound Pop Holder enhances your audio experience with a Bluetooth speaker that delivers rich three-dimensional sound from its compact body. Be surprised by the powerful audio that complements every part of your digital life. Attaching and detaching is a breeze thanks to its intuitive design, making it the perfect hassle-free companion that enhances your mobile experience without any fuss. The Sound Pop Holder, where sound meets convenience. Transform how you interact with your smartphone and turn every space into a theater of sound and functionality. Get ready to transform your cycling experience with the revolutionary PicoBoost 2. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what an e-bike can be. Forget everything you know about traditional e-bike conversion kits. Say goodbye to complex installations and hefty price tags. PicoBoost 2 is here to make your life easier and your ride smoother. In less than a minute, you can install or remove the PicoBoost 2 thanks to just 4 anti-theft screws and a unique Allen wrench included right in the box. Designed to fit most bike models and tire sizes, it's as universal as it is user-friendly. Power up hills and cruise through headwinds with the PicoBoost 2's powerful 500 watts motor. Our patented AAR2 Zero technology delivers precise power assistance, adapting seamlessly to your riding style. Worried about rough terrain or security? Shock-absorbing spring design keeps the PicoBoost 2 securely in place, no matter the road conditions, and our proprietary tool ensures only you can remove it, deterring theft and providing peace of mind. From mountain bikes to road bikes and everything in between, PicoBoost 2's adjustable design fits wheel sizes from 14 to 29 inches, ensuring a perfect match for your favorite ride. Experience the power of the Level 500 series motor, engineered with 99.99% pure copper windings and our proprietary magnetic core. It boasts an 88% conversion efficiency, maximizing every pedal stroke. And with speeds up to 32 kilometers per hour, PicoBoost 2 doesn't just make cycling easier, it makes it faster and more thrilling than ever. Join the e-bike revolution with PicoBoost 2 and experience cycling like never before. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's waiting for you. Step into the future of virtual reality with the UDCap VR Glove, your next-generation VR controller that merges professional motion capture with groundbreaking technology for an unparalleled VR experience. Designed for precision and comfort, the VR Glove pairs instantly with your VR devices and is fully compatible with all Steam VR games and VRC avatars. Imagine a glove that acts as a high-tech second skin. UDCap's innovative polymer sensors are foldable, highly flexible, and integrate seamlessly into the glove's fabric. These sensors capture every minor movement of your hand with a stunning resolution of 0.01 degrees. Each VRG Glove is equipped with 12 sensors covering all 15 finger joints, allowing you to express a total of 21 joint angles. This means every stretch, bend, and subtle twitch is tracked perfectly, enhancing your VR interaction like never before. Thanks to UDCap's proprietary motion capture algorithm, you can personalize every aspect of your hand movements. Adjust angle coefficients, offsets, and balance to match any avatar, bringing your human-like or fantastical characters to life with unprecedented realism. The VR Glove isn't just about motion, it's about control. The innovative controller module, nestled on your index finger, features a Hall effect joystick and AB buttons for thumb control, ensuring you stay in command at all times. Experience real-time haptic feedback with every interaction, whether you're pointing, shooting, or simply exploring. The high-intensity vibrations of the glove provide immediate tactile responses to every game scenario. Simulate index controllers directly through a Steam VR driver, making every finger movement an intuitive part of the gaming experience. From delicate manipulations to dynamic gestures, control is always at your fingertips. Ready to transform how you play, create, and explore in VR, and unleash the full potential of your virtual reality adventures. Calling all coffee enthusiasts. Imagine starting your day not just with any coffee, but with a cup brewed from beans you freshly roasted right in your kitchen. Meet the Roma Pro, the ultimate game changer in home coffee roasting. Say goodbye to the days of pre-ground coffee and hello to the Roma Pro, designed to unlock the full potential of every bean with precision, customization, and ease. Equipped with advanced sensors, the Roma Pro allows you to experiment with various bean origins, roasting times, and flavor profiles. Whether you're a beginner or a connoisseur, this machine offers both automatic and manual modes to suit your every need. Dive into the world of coffee crafting with 5 levels of customization, ensuring your roast is perfect from light to dark. Achieve barista quality results and consistency with the comprehensive record-keeping feature, allowing for precise flavor replication every time. Enjoy the simple pleasure of savoring freshly roasted coffee within minutes, right from the comfort of your home. The Roma Pro not only makes this possible, but it makes it a delight. And when you're done, don't worry about the mess. Cleanup is a breeze with no bean residue left behind, thanks to its user-friendly design. Transform your kitchen into a boutique roastery. The Roma Pro isn't just a coffee roaster, it's a revolution that places the art and science of coffee roasting at your fingertips. Step into the role of a master roaster with the Roma Pro. Elevate every cup, enjoy unmatched quality and taste, and take control of your coffee's journey from bean to brew. Welcome to a world where language barriers are a thing of the past. Introducing the Vormor Dual Screen Translator, the first ever detachable dual screen translation device designed to revolutionize how we communicate across languages. Imagine having a personal language tutor with you wherever you go. With Vormor, that dream becomes a reality. This innovative device offers real-time translation in 144 languages, ensuring smooth conversations whether you're traveling, in business meetings, or participating in international conferences. The Vormor's groundbreaking design features a detachable 5.0-inch main screen and a 3.0-inch secondary screen, providing unmatched flexibility for any scenario. Use both screens for a dynamic translation experience, or take just one when you need to travel light. Dual screen setup mirrors the simplicity of face-to-face interactions, making it feel like you're speaking the same language. Engage with the world in a way that was once unimaginable. Navigate new cities or conduct overseas business with confidence. Vormor supports 144 online languages and 20 offline, enabling you to converse freely from the business hubs of London to the charming alleys of Lisbon. Harness the power of AI with ChatGPT technology integrated into the Vormor translator. Achieve precise real-time translations with an impressive 98% accuracy rate. This isn't just a translator, it's your bridge to the world. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.